Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail session expire. So if you have this problem, if you have this issue, the main culprit usually is your internet connection. You have a problem and try to fix your connection. You can reset first your network and try to reopen the Gmail, or you can clear some trash spam on your Gmail apps. And also you can try to clear some case. Here you can force stop and clear some case, and of course if you need, you can clear data. And after that, if the problem is not fixed, you can try to manage your account. You can tap on your profile picture at the top of your screen, and then you can manage your account here. So all you have to do, just remove your account first. After your account removed, you can re-log in this app. You can try to return to log in Gmail and try. Usually this problem is fixed by re-log in the Gmail account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe to this button below. See you in the next video.